Today at Mob House Punboxing, I have something that is so zen, you should book a trip for meditation. Namaste. Yo, take a page from my handbook. You can look what man took to refine
into the Zenbook.
A 13-inch little itty-bitty laptop that can't stop looking sleek like a hedgehog. Sangat-sangat ringan, so jangan pecah belakang. Pakai laptop yang berat macam badak sumbu. Jangan cemburu, I got you. Abang payung you dengan Intel yang padu. This year, the new. And take it in, take it out. You will never be without portability for productivity. Once you make this Zen your man, you can book a flight to travel for 13 friends.
This video is brought to you by SNS Network and Notebook Plaza. Right now, they are doing a promo where you can get up to 1,200 ringgit off on selected models for a limited time. So if you're interested to pick up this Asus Zenbook 13 powered by Intel Evo or any other laptops, feel free to check out the links in the description.
Huh? What is this sticker? I don't need. Wow, this box looks very fancy. Every time you open, it's like eating candy. You get me? Inside the black box, firstly we have a tiny black power adapter. What? Only 15 watts? So power efficient, but must be sufficient lah for a small laptop like this. Have I managed to rope you in? Get it? Not yet. What if I told you that the power adapter uses USB-C? You see? Now, time for the main show. Hi. I asked them to send me a new laptop so I can peel some prawn. Instead, they give me this. Nah, give it back to you lah. Let me check the inside. Still got what? Huh? USB-C to audio jack? Walao, Zenbook, you think this is Zen phone meh? Why you remove my jack? What did he do wrong? Well, at least I still get to peel some prawn after all. I just love seafood. Next, we have some paper, which you can just throw away lah, cause the world is going paperless. And that's it. Achoo! This laptop box inside still got a laptop sleeve, Steve. Don't simply throw, but you can kick lah. Finally, something new. Luckily, the previous reviewer Noob didn't see this treasure. It's my pleasure to present it to you. Like this low, very basic. Finally, let's take a closer look at the laptop. This is the Asus Zenbook 13. So being an Intel Evo laptop, this Zenbook 13 comes with an Intel Core i7-1165G7, 8GB of RAM, 512GB of PCIe NVMe Gen 3 SSD, and the Intel Iris Xe graphics. If all those techie info is confusing you, just know that it is more than powerful enough to handle your school and work, no matter if you have to reply 1,000 emails a day, open 69 tabs on Google Chrome. Actually, 69 tabs is pushing it lah. Just close the tabs you don't use lah, walao. The screen here is a 13-inch 1080p OLED in a 16:9 aspect ratio, so when you curi tulang to watch Korean oppa, he will look extra lang chai. The image will be vibrant and nice. It can also go up to 400 nits, which should be enough for most use cases, unless you want to kena skin cancer and like to sunbathe with your laptop. You weirdo. So, remember, this is meant to be more of a work and study laptop, so of course they will pack it with a webcam as well as super fast Intel Wi-Fi 6E. The battery also lasts very long, so you don't have to keep fighting with people in Starbucks for a chance to use the lobang in the wall. Oi, jangan terpesong! Finally, here are all the holes you get with this laptop. The most important one is of course that Thunderbolt 4 because it is no longer exclusive to the Fruit brand. Thunderbolt 4 can go up to 40 gigabits per second and it's very versatile. You can plug in an external SSD or use adapters or hubs to get a display out to connect to a monitor lah, or split into more USB ports. Walao! One hole, many users. The Asus Zenbook is very hashtag cheap buy right now at 4,119 ringgit at Notebook Plaza. Moral of the story? If you want a work or study laptop that you can fit into your handbag, man bag, bum bag, or even a slightly larger fanny pack, this is for you. Some more got OLED. Your eyes will thank me. Not thank you. You're welcome. And also like and share this video and subscribe lah. Wait for what?